What if you could have a personal teacher available 24 hours a day for almost any subject you want to learn? You can use AI to learn programming, mathematics, languages, business, science, or almost anything else. But there's one important mistake people make. They ask AI for information instead of asking it to teach them. Let me show you a better way. First, choose one specific thing you want to learn. Don't start with something too broad like, teach me computer science. Instead, choose something specific. For example, teach me JavaScript, or teach me how APIs work, or teach me conversational English. The more specific your starting point, the easier it is for AI to build a learning path for you. Next, don't simply ask AI to give you an explanation. Tell it to act as your teacher and mentor. Give it instructions about how you want to learn. For example, teach me JavaScript as if I am a complete beginner. Then tell AI to explain things step by step. Use simple language, give examples, and check your understanding before moving forward. This part is especially important. Tell AI, one concept at a time. Don't let AI give you a 50-page lesson all at once. For example, if you're learning JavaScript, start with variables. Understand variables, practice variables, get feedback. Then move to the next concept. Think of it like climbing stairs. You don't need to jump from the first step to the 10th. Next, ask AI to show you examples, but don't stop there. Ask, where would I use this in real life? For example, if you're learning APIs, don't just memorize the definition. Ask AI to show you how an API is used in a real application. This helps you connect what you're learning with something meaningful. Now comes the part many people skip: practice. Tell AI to give you a short exercise or quiz, and don't ask for the answer immediately. Try solving it yourself. Then give your answer back to AI and ask it to evaluate you. This turns AI from a search engine into an interactive tutor. And when you make a mistake, don't just ask for the correct answer. Ask AI to explain why your answer was wrong. Ask for another example, then try again. You can even tell AI, don't give me the answer yet. Give me a hint. That's much closer to having a real teacher sitting beside you. There's another important instruction in the prompt. Tell AI, never move to the next concept before I understand the current one. This prevents AI from overwhelming you with information. You control the pace. If you don't understand something, simply say, I don't understand. Explain it another way. Or, give me a simpler example. Or, compare it to something I already know. I've created a reusable prompt you can copy and use with your favorite AI assistant. Just replace topic with whatever you want to learn, step by step, one concept at a time. Show examples. Give real-world applications. Give me exercises and quizzes. Evaluate my answers. Correct my mistakes. Don't overwhelm me. And here's the complete learning loop. Learn, practice, get feedback, correct your mistakes, practice again, then move forward. That's how you can use AI to turn almost any subject into a personalized learning experience. AI doesn't replace learning. It can make learning more interactive, personalized, and accessible. So don't just ask AI, give me information about this topic. Ask it, teach me. Choose something you've always wanted to learn. Copy the prompt and start learning today. What would you like to learn with AI? Tell me in the comments.